Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a brown smoky eye using very simple steps. This eye look is super classy and versatile and anybody can basically rock it with all kinds of outfit. I try to keep my looks super beginner friendly so that everyone can try this. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. And guys, please follow me on my Instagram. I will put my links down below. I have already moisturized my face, and for that I use the Mamaearth oil-free moisturizer, and next for the primer I am using the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. I only like to apply the primer on the T-zone area as that area tends to secrete more oil as the time passes. I like to push my primer inwards so that it fills all of my open pores. Next for foundation, I am using my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 220. It is an extremely matte foundation with very full coverage. Try to start it with less quantity and then if you need more you can always add on later. But if you start with the heavy layer, then it might look a bit cakey and it sets very fast and it will become very difficult for you to blend. You might think the color is light on me, but it oxidizes like no one's business. I always like to dab my sponge at last just to be satisfied with all of my blending. I will be using two concealers today, one for color correcting and the other one is for highlighting. For color correction, we can use either a peach or an orange color corrector. I don't have that much of dark under eye situation going on, so I am using a peach color corrector, and for that I am using the LA Curl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. This is extremely light on skin, so it does not feel heavy or cakey, yet it does its job of concealing my under eyes. And next for highlighting my under eyes, I am using my PAC Spotlight Concealer in Nutcracker 07. This one is one shade lighter than my skin tone and it's extremely creamy and full coverage. Today I want my brows to look super sharp and snatched, and for that I am using the L'Oreal Brow Pomade in Ebony. I like to do some hair-like strokes in the front of my brows so that it resembles like natural hairs and it looks more fluffy, and then I'll be using my spoolie to blend everything out. I like to take more time doing my brows as the brows frame your whole face. Now I will set my brows with my favorite brow mascara for the moment, that is the NYKAA Brow Mascara. Now I am setting my base using the Maybelline Loose Powder in light medium, and I will be only setting my T-zone and under my eyes just to set the concealer, and the rest of my face will be bare as the foundation is quite matte. Now for my eyes, first I will be using my Lakme Kajal in brown and roughly line my eyes. No need to be perfect as we are anyway going to smudge this. Then using my flat shadow brush without taking any extra product, I am gonna drag the kajal, extending it to form a baby wing. Now a trick which I have learned, that is to drag the brush in the upward direction as if you are fading the color upwards, and this forms a gradient and we don't need any extra eyeshadow brush to blend this in the crease. Flat shadow brushes makes it way easier to sweep the shadow rather than any other blending brush. So I keep on sweeping the product until I am satisfied with my blending. Do the same process once again, but now this time only blend the edges of the liner as I want the rim of my eyes to be more intensified. And then I'm going to use a dark brown color eyeshadow and pack it upon the brown liner just to set it. I'm making a horizontal V kind of shape and lastly giving it a nice blend. Using the same brown kajal, I will be using it on my lash line but only the halfway, And then using the same brush, I will be extending it and joining it to my upper wing. Using a pencil brush, I'm just blending away any harsh lines if present. Then using NYKAA Rock the Line Kajal, I'm applying it on to my waterline, but only the halfway. Remember to apply it only on your halfway. And then also tight lining it with this. Then I'm going to extend the kajal outwards and then dragging it up to the middle of my upper lash line. This gives an effect of an elongated eyes, or basically an almond shape eyes. Remember to blend the black liner only on the edges of that area. If you make any mistake or any area that is not blended properly, like it happened to me, then just take a small pencil brush and try to diffuse it only on that area. Just wiggle it 1 or 2 times and voila, it's done. Curl your lashes and apply lots and lots of mascara if you're not wearing false eyelashes, but I will be applying it anyway, as I love the effect of false eyelashes. By the way, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It has become my favorite mascara lately. The hype about this is real, you guys. I don't know, there is something about the wand that it makes your eyes look super dramatic. I applied a pair of false eyelashes, and this is from Pro Arte in the style 006. Wearing false eyelashes just changes the eye look to a whole new level. Quickly bronzing my face, and I'm using the NYKAA SkinGENIUS compact in the darkest shade. And always blend your bronzer onto your hairline, focusing more on the edges of your hairline to avoid looking like a mask face. Then I'm contouring my nose. I'm just drawing 2 lines on the either side of the nose. I prefer using a small detailed brush for this, and then blending them using a blending brush. Now I love blushes, especially the cream blush. Though in India we do not have that much of cream blush in the market. What we have are all in the high-end brands. Anywho, I'm using the PAC cream blush in 03. It's a pink blush which has golden and pink reflexes. There is no chunky glitters, and I absolutely love this blush. Now for highlighter, again I'm going with a liquid highlighter, and I am using the Wet n Wild liquid highlighter, and this also has a pink undertone. I love pinkish highlighters as it complements my skin tone. I really like cream products as they tends to sink on your skin and gives an illusion that your skin is naturally glowing. Next, using any pale golden color eyeshadow, I am highlighting my inner corners and dragging it a little bit to the blank space that we have left out earlier. And then I am highlighting my brow bone area, then a little bit on the tip of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Now I will be using a tint on my lips, and for that I'm using the FaceShop lip tint in the shade Coral. Tints are super light on your lips and they stay for a long time. They fade out gradually the day passes. You can adjust the intensity of the lip tints as per your liking. You can basically leave it up to here and call it a day, but I will be adding a gloss, and for that I am using the Rimmel Oh My Gloss in the shade Glossaholic. Now a quick tip, if you want to make your lips look fuller, especially your upper lips, then concentrate the gloss mostly on the cupid's bow and slightly overdraw it on the edges of your lips, and that's all. You will get a juicy pouted lips. And there you go, this is my finished look. Hope you guys liked it. Please let me know in the comment box. And if you like my look, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care. I love you all.